Hey, pay attention to a living seller. Pay attention to a great seller. For as long as there are hungry people on this earth, men will be misled. For as long as there are angry, and bitter people on this earth, nations will be misled. You didn't understand what you said, right? Stay right here. Hold on, don't go anywhere. Welcome to this 325th day. Math leading the way, math messages. Mathematics that balances equations in our life. Mathematics that balances the equation in our own land. We appreciate your presence here. It's a wonderful thing. Matt has been leading the way from the day one, from the first day to this 325th day, and be rest assured that you are going to learn something that is unique and new here. Everyone that comes here attests to it. That every single day, the magic, the mathematics, the market is being done here. We are building it. We are expanding it. Your consciousness, your awareness. We are waking our own people up. We didn't lead you here. A universal force brought you here, because the universe has a way of returning its own people back home. No amount of word can bring you here. You see, the place has a way of returning you back to your own roots. Remember our word in the beginning. We said, for as long as there are hungry people in this world, men and women will be misled. And for as long as there are angry people in this world, nations will be misled. We'll explain with the New Testament Bible and the Old Testament Bible. And when we say the Bible, we do not mean this. We'll show you what the Bible is in a minute. But before we do that, we have to close this. There's a reason why you came here, and we have to deliver. Okay? One of the LTB Light team members sent you to this very video for you to watch it and take action. He knows that it's time for you to begin to build wealth here on earth. It's time for you to begin to run away from that rat race. He knows it's time for you to begin to, hey, no disrespect to people who do 9 to 5. But when you call it a job, aka a job here on earth, when it becomes hard work, we have a problem with it. There's a difference between hard work and working hard. You see, when you're working hard, your mind is working for you. People are working for you. Your money is working for you. Your seed that you plant is working for you. And that is where we want you to be. Hey. And you are at the right place. So we want you to follow our staff, to follow the stars, to follow the successful. When you do what the successful is doing every day with technology, with their mind, with their talent, you too will become successful. Follow the link right here, under here, and order your own well-building package. Any of the products of LTB Light that you order is going to put you on this path to building wealth here on earth. You plant it now. Don't wait 20 years along the line to plant it. You plant it now. It's going to grow, and you can be able to survive on it 20 years down the line. Here, and you're in your here and after. And what we mean by in your here and after is that your children's children down the line will be proud of you. Painstakingly, we are planting it day by day. Matt is doing it, planting that very big global market. Matt is doing it, planting that knowledge in our people. Matt is doing it, replanting that science and technology in our people. You have to go through that door of the Great Pyramid. Only one door. Okay, there's a reason for that. It doesn't have any windows into the Great Pyramids, or just one door. You have to go through that mat, that great foundation that is laid ancestrally. But be very careful. Like we said, for as long as there are hungry people in this very world, they don't want to listen to what we're saying. They will continue to lead you to continue to build this on earth. Hell, you see, you can see it here, right here, matrix without a head. We are quoting from the New Testament that the successful, the bravest, the courageous is using on this earth. It wouldn't have been made possible before your eyes if not for technology, and if not for our hand of talent, and if not for math. You see that they are building heaven on earth, hell, paradise, leading themselves to death. Okay, and for as long as there are angry people, they will still continue to be building this matrix right here, madness all over the world, building paradise, leading people to war, leading people to worship where they waste their life and waste their time. Hey, you will not be a partaker in that. We want you to vow to make an oath this day to begin to build what your own ancestors did build. Don't be scared from it, away from it. Okay. You're shielded by the grace of the sun, by the right energy, for goodness sake. See, when you build the right pyramid, the eyes, the inner eyes is right here as check and balance and to guide you on earth. The inner eyes that the enemy, the destroyer, wants to take away, so that we will continue to suffer, for goodness sake, here on earth. We've done noble to this 325th day message, and a word is enough for the one who is inly awake. Okay? Don't be wise for yourself or for your land. Stay intelligent and stay aware and stay conscious. Okay? In wisdom, as we all claim to have, we rot and rust. We decay and we stink and we smell. We are subnormal and subdued and still as slaves. But in intelligence, playing with the energies of the day, we rise up together as a team. Do be well, my friend. I hope to see you here again on the 326th day. And remember, this is a 1001 day journey. We are not despaired. We are not tired. So why should you? Okay, the sun is shining brightly right in our midst here, as you can attest. We'll see you again. Bye.